If your Infiniti Q50 won't connect to Apple CarPlay, don't worry, because most glitches are solved in just a few steps. Statistics show that 80% of connectivity issues stem from simple cable degradation or temporary software sync errors. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to get your integration back online. Start by swapping your cable for an Apple-certified one and toggling airplane mode to force a fresh handshake with the head unit. Software conflicts are common, so check for iOS updates and clear out any old, corrupted Bluetooth pairings that might be interfering. For a hard reset, hold the volume power button for 10 seconds until the system reboots, then manually forget the car from your iPhone settings. Most fixes are done at home, but if the USB port physically fails, you will need a professional to handle the wiring. As this chart shows, the overwhelming majority of your issues are likely just a bad cable, not a broken car. If you're still stuck, clean your phone's charging port with compressed air and test the secondary USB port in your console. Keep a high-quality cable and a can of compressed air in your glove box to resolve sudden connection drops on the road. Remember, always troubleshoot your physical connections before assuming the car's complex software has actually failed. If this guide helped you reconnect, hit that like button and subscribe for more Infiniti troubleshooting tips.